Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about reading. Elara's Forgotten Spark. Elara, a painter with a keen eye for detail, found herself staring at a blank canvas day after day. For weeks, a persistent creative block had settled over her, dimming the vibrant colors of her studio apartment. It used to be her sanctuary, a haven brimming with unfinished projects and the scent of oil paints, but now it felt muted and uninspiring. She sighed, pushing her easel aside, feeling a dull ache behind her eyes. Feeling restless and needing a change of scenery, Elara decided one overcast afternoon to explore the city's older district, a part she rarely visited. She ambled along cobblestone streets until she stumbled upon a tiny, dusty antique shop, almost hidden between a bustling bakery and a quiet bookbinder. The shop's interior smelled of old wood and forgotten histories. Amidst shelves crammed with forgotten treasures, her gaze fell upon a small, tarnished silver locket, intricately carved and seemingly whispering secrets of the past. As she gently picked up the locket, its cool weight in her hand, a vivid memory suddenly sparked. Her grandmother, long past, used to tell her fantastical tales of hidden treasures and brave adventurers, often holding up a similar, though simpler, locket as she spoke. It wasn't the locket itself that captivated Elara now, but the powerful feeling it evoked. A sense of wonder, mystery, and a connection to stories untold. Her heart began to thump with a renewed sense of purpose. She purchased the locket, a small investment in her forgotten imagination. Back in her studio, Elara didn't paint the locket directly. Instead, she began sketching furiously, letting the images of forgotten worlds and whispered tales flow onto her paper. Soon, colors exploded onto her main canvas, deep blues representing distant seas, antique golds for ancient artifacts, and swirling patterns that suggested untold journeys. She had found her muse, not in a grand landscape or a perfect still life, but in a small, forgotten object that had helped her rediscover the immense reservoir of her own imagination. Her creative block had finally broken, reminding her that sometimes stepping outside her comfort zone was all it took to reignite her inner spark. Now let's move to the quiz. Listen carefully. What did Elara realize was sometimes necessary to reignite her inspiration? A. Buying expensive new art supplies. B. Copying other artists' work. C. Stepping outside her comfort zone. D. Waiting patiently for inspiration to strike. So, what's your answer? Comment A, B, C, or D below. The correct answer is in the pinned comment. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma. See you tomorrow for a new lesson.